Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the WSL register distribution failed with error code 0x8007023e as well as 0x8000000D, where it says installing. This may take a few minutes, and then it says the parameter is incorrect. Press any key to continue. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. Locate Windows Subsystem for Linux. Since I'm in a virtual machine, I don't actually have that availability here, but if you did see, again, Windows Subsystem for Linux, you go ahead and check mark next to it and then select OK. And then you also want to open up the start menu here. If that first method didn't work for you perhaps, or if you're still having an issue, type in Windows PowerShell. Best result should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now I will have a command in the description of the video, guys. So I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window here. Right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Again, since I'm in a virtual environment, that's why it's not letting me run it here, but otherwise it should work in your case. And then once you're done, you go ahead and restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.